is officially here, and you know what that means. Summer brunches, dinner parties, and so much more. But you want to keep it easy and elevated with snacks and sips. So we called in lifestyle and entertainment expert Paul Zahn to show us exactly what we need to do. Paul, you know about hosting parties.
Yes.
Cookouts, definitely an adulting thing. And a lot of times the hardest part is just choosing what exactly to serve people.
Yeah.
So what do you have for us today?
Okay, so first up, we're saying ciao to aperitivo hour in this wonderful, delicious Amalfi Gin Limone Spritz right here.
It's giving all of that.
Yes.
I
So
can see it.
picture you're on the Amalfi Coast or in a boat in Cape Cod hanging out. We have this wonderful libation right here. So we have some delicious orange flavored soda. We have some Prosecco, and then we have some Amalfi Gin. This is a Limone. So this is crafted with these special Sfusato lemons from the Amalfi Coast. There's some citrus from Sicily, and then there's some juniper. So that with the citrus from the orange soda and then the bubbles from the Prosecco are going to make for the
literally
perfect
taking you to Italy.
cocktail. You have one right there.
Have a little sample,
so
let's see.
this is a great entry drink when your friends show up for a summer dinner party. It's light, it's effervescent, it's got that nice juniper to it, and
you garnish with a little basil.
yeah, we have basil and we have some
blueberries
and some lemon too. Voila.
You're so good at this. I already feel like my party that I didn't plan yet is elevated.
Yes, of course.
What's next?
Of course. Next up, we have a delicious blood orange mule right here. So we have some blood orange juice, we have some ginger beer, and then we have some Weber Ranch vodka. So this is a really unique vodka because it's made from 100% blue Weber agave. It's actually additive free, and it's absolutely delicious. So it has some notes of tropical fruits, has a little roasted agave to it. No additives, and perfect on its own or perfect in a mixed drink.
It's so interesting, the agave being in a vodka drink, because you usually associate agave with tequila.
Yeah, and this is a delicious vodka. And what do you think? Does it pass the test?
Ooh, yeah.
It's good, right?
The blood orange really, it matched the vodka for sure, but it's so refreshing.
Yeah, and this is actually lower calorie, 91 calories per 1.5 ounce. So we love that. We love that. Next up, we need some wine when we're having any summer dinner party, when we're having any fun summer charcuterie. We have some Love Block Sauvignon Blanc here. So this is from the Marlborough region of New Zealand. This is crafted by the legendary Erica Crawford and her husband Kim Crawford. It's organic. It is vegan friendly. It has notes of guava, some basil in it. So it's going to go great with those grilled fishes we're busting out during, the summer season.
Guava and like notes of guava.
Yeah, the tropical fruit and everything like that. So it's perfect to bring for a host as well.
Good host gift.
Yeah, and you can pick these up at...
leave the host gift, bring a separate bottle as a gift.
Right. And you can pick all three of these up at Total Wine. So pop in, pick one, pick them all, voila.
Exactly. Okay. Stock your bar.
Yeah, exactly.
Also, you have snacks in the basket.
We need some food right here. So we have a perfect charcuterie bite right here featuring some Columbus craft meats. So in order to have the perfect charcuterie bite, you need meat, acid, cheese, and a crunch. So right here in the crunch, we have the cantaloupe. In the cheese, we have some aged cheddar. In the acid, we have a balsamic glaze.
I saw that. You made it into a heart shape. I don't know if you intended that.
Because I love being here with you guys.
A heart. And then Mickey Mouse.
And for the meat, we have some Columbus Craft Meats delicious salami. I like using salami rather than some prosciutto because the prosciutto can go brown really quick. And I love Columbus Craft Meats because they've been creating all of our charcuterie needs for over 100 years using premium meats. You can see the spices and the herbs woven throughout. And they have some great charcuterie bites at columbuscraftmeats.com.
And you would use this as a gift?
Yes, you would show up. See, you get it. You put all the accoutrements for maybe some drinks and some charcuterie into a little
reuse the bag.
basket. They have that.
So
and voila, drinks, bites, snacks, sips, I got it all.
Well, make sure you're following Paul Zahn. And by the way, he is a spokesperson for some of the brands that you saw here today. But follow him on social at Paul Zahn. Thanks as always for the tips.
Happy summer.